Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 9, chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Exercise 4.3, question 1. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. So in this question we have to draw the graph of each of the equations that are given to us. So we have four equations. So let's do it one by one. So first what we have to do, write the equations and then you have to draw this box. For us to draw a graph, 2 or 3 points are enough. That's why I have just taken 2 box only. 2 points are enough for a graph. If you want one more also you can make it. So now we have to give any value for one of this variable. So if you give value for x, you will find the value for y. If you give value for y, then you will find the value of x. That we have to write down. So the solution, last time we saw in exercise 4.2 how to find the solutions. Like that you have to find the solutions, x value and y value, and then you will plot in the graph. So let's do it now. So now this is our equations, x plus y equal to 4. So now if I take x as a 0, this box is important, but this calculation you can do it directly if you are able to. If not, you can calculate and find out. So now if I take value of x as 0, so then what I will get? So I'll get the y value as 4. Next, if I take y as 0, so if I am taking y as 0, then x plus y will be 0. Then my x value will be 4. So x I will get it 4. So now these two solutions are enough for us to draw the graph. So let's plot the graph now. As I already explained to you how to plot the graph. So we have x axis and y axis. So you have here, this is your, these are negative, right? So this is your x dash axis and this is positive side. So this will be your x axis and this is your y dash axis. This is your y dash axis and then this is your y axis, because this is positive here, this is negative x, this is negative y. So now let's plot the graph. So what we have, on x we have 0 and y we have 4. So on x 0, this is x axis, for this 0 is here, so x is 0, but for y you have 4. So where is 4? On y this is plus 4, right? So on x it is 0 and y it is 4. So let's go on that same direction. From x it is 0, so we'll go directly and on 4. So our point will be here. This is our point. This is x is 0, y is 4. This you have to write this for each point because this is compulsory. Next, x is 4. So on x, where is 4? 4 is here. And on y it is 0. So for y 0, this is vertical line and this is horizontal line, right? X axis is a horizontal line, so that is 4. So 4 comes here, but then for y is in this direction. For y, if you see this is our x point, right? That is 4. Then for y, from here, for y 0 will be starting here only, because this will be 1 for y, 2 for y. So then y will be 0 will be here only. So then our point will be here itself. So this is x is 4 and on y it is starting 0 here. Okay. So now you will join both these points and see that the line crosses x axis also and y axis also. Like this you will draw the line. Okay, so now you see this line has crossed y axis and this line has crossed x axis. So that way you have to draw the line. So now here you can write the equation, that is x plus y equal to 4. So that's how you have to plot the graph. So now let's do for the second one. So second one also same way. You have to write, draw the box and then find out the solutions for x and y. So here if I take y as 0, then here the equation is x minus y equal to 2. So now y I have taken 0. It will be 0. So then my x value will be 2. So I will be getting 2 here. So now next, if I am taking y as 1, then x minus y equal to x minus y I have taken as 1. So 1. So now I keep x here. This minus 1 goes that side. It will become plus 1. So my x value will be 3. So now let's plot the graph. So now I have drawn here. So you have x-axis. This is x-axis. This is your x dash axis. This is your y dash because this is negative, and this is your positive. This is positive. So y-axis, this is your x-axis. Okay, I have already drawn here. Center is 0, 1, 2, 3 positive x and negative x. Here positive y and negative y. So let's draw the graph. So for x it is 2 and y it is 0. So let's find out. So what we said, x2, y0. So x2 is here. y0 means for y is this direction. For this direction, y starts from here 0 only. For y0 is here only and x2 is here. So this is x is 2, y is 0. Then next, x is 3, y is 1. X is 3. X is 3 is here. Y is 1. 1 means here y. Because both the point have to meet together. See, x is 3 here. So I draw the line. Then y is 1. So y direction it is 1. So when I am drawing the line, this point meets here. So this point is 3, x value 3, y value 1. So now these 2 points, let us draw the line. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So both the line, this line has to cross. So both this point, let me join. Okay. So then I draw my line. And this is equation, that is, what is the equation? This is x minus y equal to 2. So this equation is x minus y equal to, like that on the line you have to write the equation. So now let's do the third one. Third one also you have to draw the graph. For that you have to draw the box. X and y, same way you have to find out. So I take x value as 0. If I take x as a 0, then let me find out y equal to 3x. 3x, if I am taking 0, then y I will 3 into 0 will give me 0. So y also I am getting 0. So now next x I'll take as 1. So then y equal to 3 in the place of x1. 3 into 1 will give me 3. So if I take x1, then y I am getting 3. So let's plot the graph. So I have drawn and kept it so that I don't waste the time now. So this is your x-axis, this is your x dash axis, and this is your y-axis. Okay, so down negative, here this will be your y dash axis. You have to mention in the graph x-axis, x dash, y and y dash, that you have to mention in the graph. So now what is the value we have here? That is x is 0, y also 0. So x is 0. For x, 0 is here, and for y, 0 is here only. So the point comes here. So 0, 0. These are the coordinates for origin also we say it, because this is origin for x also and for y also. Okay, so next x is 1, y is 3. So x is 1, x is here 1, and y is 3. So x is 1, y is 3. So let's draw the line. So x is 1 here, y is 3 here. So from here draw the line, from here draw the line, and it will meet at this point. So this is 1, 3. Always you have to write first x value, then y value. So now let's join these 2 points, this point and this point. Okay, this 2 point we will join. Now this is, what is the equation? This is the third one. So that is y equal to 3x. Okay, so now let's do the fourth one. Fourth also we have to draw the box. This calculation is not compulsory that you have to do it, but if you do, then you don't make a mistake. But if you can do directly also, you can do it, but this box you have to make it compulsory. So now let's take now x. If I take as a 0, then my equation is 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2, x I am taken 0 plus y. 3 equal to 2 into 0 will become 0 plus y. So that means my y value is 3. So now next I will take x as a 1. X I will take as 1. You have to always take the smallest number, so calculation becomes easy for us. So now x I have taken as 1. So 2, 1. So 3, 2 into 1, 2 plus y. This is in plus. When it comes here, it will become minus. So then I'll get 3 minus 2 will be 1. So then y value I am getting 1. So let's plot the graph. So this is your x-axis. This is your y dash axis. And this is your y-axis. And this is your x dash axis. Okay. So now what is the solution first? For x 0, 3. So let's do 0, 3. 0 on x here, then 3 on y. So 3 on y. So from 0 only let's go. This is for x 0 and y is up direction, plus 3 it is, so up we will go. So then 3 is here. So this is our point. So 0, 3. Then next 1, 1. 1, 1. For x 1 is here, and for y 1 is this here. So both the side let the line come in, then they meet at this point. So this is 1, 1. So let's join the points. So both this point, so what is the equation? This equation is 3 equal to 2x plus y. So you can write down here 3 equal to 2x plus y. 3 equal to 2x plus y. So that's how you have to plot the graph. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you. God bless you.